myself often.
Badly or a little bit?
I don't know. Oh, hot.
Comment below, what's the difference between an onion and a shallot? I'll give you a green bean. Just joking. Finger bloody finger pork.
Baby, what did you do?
I cut my finger.
Badly or a little bit?
I don't know.
You don't know, or you do know and you just don't want to tell me. Let me see. Stop. Baby, come here. Go run it under the water.
I think I will wash the light. Yeah, I was thinking about other stuff and I cut myself. I think I cut myself this time worse than last time. It's still bleeding. The potato tastes really good. I can't wait to eat it. I'm super extremely hungry right now. I feel like I can eat 2 portions of it. Oh, hot. Beans. Just a little bit. My portion even smaller. I really like this potato. This kind of potato tastes very good. It's better than normal potato. Wow. I think I already love the meal. Not enough sauce on my pork. Okay, I will give you the rest of sauce. Wow, it looks really good. Oh, look yours. It doesn't look fancy, but it tastes really good. Are you ready? It's time for dinner. Can't wait to eat it. This is your portion, this is mine. It looks not much. It really looks not much. You may not have this potato before. It tastes super good. Is green beans crunchy?
No.
I like this green bean.
Squishy crunchy. Did you put garlic on the green beans? Did you put salt?
Yes, I put salt.
What type of spices did you put on the potatoes?
Pepper and salt?
Really?
Yes, I told you it tastes different.
So our spices lately are pretty much pepper and salt, aren't they?
And oil.
What kind of oil? Was it olive oil or just normal oil?
Just the normal oil. We are planning to get olive oil after we use it up.
And what's the meat? Is it?
It's pork.
It's oinky oink. Mmm.
You like the meat?
So tell me about what's on top of the meat. It looks like there's some onions, but it tastes sweet.
Yes, because it has fig. The fig.
Fig preserves.
Yes.
Fig jelly.
Mm.
Fig jelly. And I see some of these little leafy things here.
It's rosemary.
That's the rosemary. I remember that. So you actually strip the leaves off the rosemary?
Yes, yes, yes. I still think the meatloaf tastes better than this.
Well, I think the pork is cooked just about right.
Mm.
Okay, so I see onions and rosemary and pepper, and there's a little bit of liquid sauce stuff. What's that made out of?
Chicken broth.
Oh.
I feel like the flavor is not strong.
It's not a strong flavor, sweetie, but it's a good flavor. It's not overpowering.
Yes, yes.
So it's looking to me like the oven is useful because I see you baking beans and potatoes in there a lot these days.
Yes, the oven is useful. Is oven better than the stove? Bake better than stir fry?
Okay, I'm starting to feel super full.
Raining? Because you had lots of snacks.
I can't stop eating them.
The best in this meal is the potato. The potato tastes really good.
I think you did a really good job on the pork.
Yes, the pork is very tender, but it's not flavorful.
I think it is. Okay, so did you use an onion or is that a shallot on top of the pork?
Chef.
So do we know the difference between those? Because I don't. Okay, comment below. What's the difference between an onion and a shallot, other than the shape?
It tastes the same. We don't have enough sauce. If we dip the meat in the fake sauce.
Yeah, well, believe it. I noticed that for the pieces of pork that I was eating, some of them had more sauce or glaze on top, and those tasted better than the ones that had less sauce or glaze on the top.
Yes, we don't have enough sauce. The fake, I put it on the top. It's like
Fig?
Fruit jam.
Huh. So the fig jam is similar to fruit jam. Okay, I can go along with that.
Are you full?
Yes. So I know a guy that likes to have mint jam on top of his reindeer meat. So I think it's similar. Something sweet on top of his salty meat.
What did you dream last night?
Are you talking about my flying dream? Where the giant crustaceans came out of the ocean and me and Ultraman and Voltron had to go pluck these giant conch shell crustacean things out of the ocean and fly them over into the desert and then
With
smash
Superman?
them. We had to get them out of the ocean because they were too big. We didn't want them attacking the city. Had to get them to the desert.
I dreamed I had lots of street food with mom. A lot of street food in my hometown.
Why is Ultraman doing all the work? Where's Goldar? That's what I kept wondering. Oh, and thumbs up if anybody knows who Goldar or Ultraman is.
I don't know. Who are they?
Goldar, Space Jesus.
Can you eat this with ketchup?
Can. Do you want my extra potatoes?
Sure.
I'm just joking. I'll give you a green bean. Just joking. No, I'm serious. Go ahead. Seriously, you want ketchup? Sweetie?
Ketchup. Yes, I like to eat ketchup. Ketchup goes well with potato. You eat too fast.
No, I eat just the right speed.
I can't catch you.
Because I'm a winner. Winner,
Too
winner,
fast.
pork dinner.
How many minutes is the normal time eating a meal? Make comments. I feel like my pork is a little bit plain because I eat all the sauce. Is any other sauce I can eat with my pork?
Mayonnaise.
I can mix the vinegar with ketchup. I like that sauce. We use that sauce on the meatloaf.
Okay, baby. Vinegar with ketchup. I mean, I'm pretty sure that one of the big components in ketchup is vinegar. Yep, ingredients for ketchup include tomatoes, distilled vinegar, corn syrup. So if you mix vinegar with ketchup, really all you're doing is making watered down ketchup.
But that vinegar is different. Balsamic vinegar. I'm going to make more sauce for the pork because we use that on the meatloaf and it tastes super good. Ketchup. Yes, it's the meatloaf flavor. super good. I think this sauce become my top 5 sauce. I want to eat dumpling with this sauce. It'll taste good too. The sauce tastes good. When I eat food, I like to enjoy the flavor all over my mouth. So I eat slow. It's better to eat it slow. May I have your leftover, please? Really like this vinegar. Super good. And also go well with the potato. What are you looking at?
Goldar.
What's that?
That's Goldar.
I don't know about this character. I want to make you breakfast.
See, Goldar could turn into a golden rocket ship. Golden rocket ship.
Super. I will trade meat with your tomato.
And Ultraman, he could shoot beams out of his hand. See, Ultraman shooting beams out of his hand.
I think this meal is not impressive.
Oh, it's impressive enough. Can you cook a giant squid?
You want me to make giant squid? We can get it. I cut myself again. Really should get the band-aid since I cut myself often. How should I title the video?
You can call it bloody finger pork. Bloody finger fig pork.
Oh, can you make me a new band-aid?
Why do you need a new band-aid, baby?
I feel like my fingers stick on the paper. Fake tastes really good. I really like it. We should get a big jam of fig.
Figgy pork.
Figgy pork. Yes, it is figgy pork, right?
Figgy finger pork. Porky figgy finger. Finger figgy pork. Bloody finger figgy pork.
What are we doing tonight?
Well, I'm contractually obligated to watch TV.
Okay, I need to clean the mess. Do you like my top?
No.
No?
No.
You don't like it?
No.